The second side hustle I'm going to speak about is being a personal shopper. This is a side hustle that I've done myself and I had a lot of fun doing it. Here are 3 companies that are hiring. They are Stitch Fix, Trunk Club, and Fashion, where personal shoppers curate boxes with stylish clothing for customers based on their preferences. There are several benefits of working as a personal shopper. Some of them are flexibility. Work with that time. Work in your time frame. Variety. There are so many ways you can be a personal shopper. You can create your own website, advertise your services on social media, and establish relationships with local businesses or people in need of personal shopping assistance. Personal shopping can be a lucrative career choice.